Hello everyone. It is an honor for me to share this platform with you on occasion of inaugural function of 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences. Respected dignitaries, Honorable Shri Harshavardhanji Deshmukh sir, President Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Honorable Shri Ullasji Aurangabadkar sir, President Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Vice President of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Dr. Naresh Chandraji Thakre, Dr. Ramchandraji Shedke, and Advocate Gajanan Ravji Pundkar. Vice President of Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Advocate Sanjeevji Deshpande sir, and secretaries of both the education institutes, Shri Sheshravji Khade sir and Shri Ratnakarji K. Katpure sir. Respected conveners and principals of hosting institute of this national workshop, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Professor Dr. Z.P. Bathenabam, Principal Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Vijay Thakre sir, Principal Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Dr. R.M. Bhise sir, Principal Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, organizing committee members and my friends, and founder members, Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, University of Virginia, School of Medicine, Virginia, US, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Professor Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Respected teachers associated with us through this online platform for the student of Life Sciences, Botany for You, and my dear student participants. I, Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder of Botany for You, an online platform for the student of Life Sciences, and Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcome you all in this 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences, scheduled from 21st July to 25th July 2020. Friends, you are very well aware about the NET examination conducted by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, and University Grants Commission, that is UGC, twice a year. As per the regulations formulated by UGC regarding eligibility criteria for teaching positions in higher education, NET or SET is compulsory examination. If we think about the life sciences, it includes all the subjects from biology group. Hence, the syllabus is also based on the titles from all these subjects. Hence, the scope of the syllabus is broad and vast. This means that one should go through the syllabus thoroughly of all the subjects included in life sciences, though having postgraduate degree in one subject. This is one of the reasons why the result of NET examination in life sciences is very low. In addition to this, the attitude, method of preparation, the literature, references are also equally important factors in the journey of CSIR UGC NET preparation. Through this online platform, Botany for You, we are trying to provide the lectures regarding CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation. Initially, in this workshop, we have arranged 20 guest lectures from CSIR UGC NET JRF LS qualified faculties all over the nation. Many more faculties are associated with this online platform and are willing to deliver their lectures on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation. Hence, this workshop is denoted as Part 1. In future, we are planning for similar workshops of 3 days each in every month for 6 months exclusively on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences. In next month, that is from 17th to 19th of August, 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences part 2 is already scheduled. Similarly, in every month, there will be 3 days program on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation. This will definitely help you to prepare for CSIR UGC NET JRF LS examination. Friends, in this workshop, we have arranged 4 lectures per day, that is 20 guest lectures on various titles of the syllabus. Of this, in today's session, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Nishikant Vase. He is currently working as a senior scientist, University of Virginia, School of Medicine, Virginia, US. He has completed his doctoral degree from University of Sheffield, UK. Dr. Nishikant is ex-postdoctoral research associate and ex-senior research associate of University of Nebraska, Lincoln. He has published many research papers in international reputed journals and worked on many international projects. 4 patents are registered in his name. He is very sincere and hardworking person. His topic of guest lecture is Metabolomics, a revolution in studying biology. Dr. Kiran Randivesar, Associate Professor in Botany, Pune District Education Association's Anna Sahib Magar Mahavidyalay, Hadapsar, Pune, will be delivering second lecture in this national workshop. Dr. Randive has published 27 research papers in national and international journals and also published 6 books. He is reviewer for Springer Nature Journal, Microasia Associate Editor and PhD Guide of Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, in Botany and Environmental Sciences. He is member of Mycological Society of America and Martin Baker Research Awardee also. His topic of guest lecture is how to prepare for CSIR UGC NET JRF LS. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. Amit Ballani, Assistant Professor in Biotechnology, Natubhai V. Patel College of Pure and Applied Sciences, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Anand, Gujarat, on cell signaling for competitive examinations. Dr. Amit has published 4 research papers and written 2 books. Also, he was awarded with Best Teacher Awardee by CVM. He is a very active and enthusiastic person and ready to help the student on this online platform in their CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation. Mr. Himanshu Jaiswal, who is working as Assistant Professor in Botany in JD Sangludkar Mahavidyalay, Daryapur District, Amravati. Mr. Himanshu delivering his guest lecture on metabolic pathways and their regulations. He is 13 times CSIR NET JRF qualified person and All India 5th rank holder in CSIR UGC NET in December 2015 examination. He is very kind and cooperative person, so I personally feel he is a right person to guide you to crack this examination. Friends, the team of Botany for You and all our guest speakers are always ready to help you in your preparation for this examination. If you find any difficulty or want guidance or on particular topic for preparation, then you can comment below the video of respective guest lecture. Reply will be given to the relevant and important queries by me or our associated members or guest speakers also. Mr. Amit Ballani is preparing question set for you that will be shared on last day of this workshop. I am hopeful this will be very helpful and useful to you for the preparation of this examination. We will try to arrange quiz on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation every month so that it will also be additional help to you in this preparation of examination. One feedback form will be shared with you on last day of the workshop. All participants are expected to fill and submit that feedback form so that we can give better service through this online platform for the student of Life Sciences Botany for You. There will be no any certificate for any type of program organized for the student through this online platform Botany for You. Every important instruction will be given through our Telegram group. Keep watching all the videos of our guest speakers organized in this 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in Life Sciences. Thank you very much you all for your response to Botany for You. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.